everyone. I've been asked a couple of times recently, and some by, old longtime customers, hey, if we don't really care about the drop points anymore because of our promotion of drop to home. And I want you to know that there is absolutely nothing farther from the truth. We absolutely want to support our drop points, the community that provides surrounding the, picking up your food and meeting with other like-minded folks at the Azure drops. We want to support that the very best way. But we decided to work on drop to home and truthfully been working on it for 1.5 years already. But we wanted to work on drop to home because we saw that there was an absolutely huge need in the marketplace amongst Azure customers. Our goal here at Azure is to inspire healthy and abundant living, and that's any way we can. We have, I believe that all Americans need healthy food. We want to be a part of supplying the healthy food for as many people as we possibly can, and I believe that very, very strongly. As we're traveling around, as I'm talking to customers, I'm talking to folks that maybe should be customers and are not, the main thing that I hear, I can't be an Azure customer because I can't get to the drop at that time or at any time. I work, I'm a school teacher, I'm a paramedic, I'm in the military. I can't just take off and pick up, but we really want to eat better food. We want Azure food, but I just can't buy it. It's about the delivery method. It's not about the food. They want healthy food. They can't handle the delivery method. That was why we chose to put some time and energy into the drop to home concept because we want to be able to support the people who can't make it to the drop, just had a brand new baby, or like I said, they work, or they're, maybe living with a shut-in, somebody who they can't leave, an elderly person or a handicapped person or something else. And as we've rolled out the drop to home, we have had so many already, and we've only just done it experimentally in a couple of cities so far. Oh, I am so happy to get Azure. I have only been able to do it once a year or so because, I have a handicapped child that I just can't leave. I can't go pick it up at the drop. And now I can order and I can feed our family better, and we're so happy. And that is that's the whole goal of drop to home. We're not trying to replace the drops. There's no intention of that ever. I think drops are key and important, especially for those that are filling up pantries and feeding young families and all of that. Come to the drop, have that fellowship, do that. But we are here to inspire healthy and abundant living to all the people that care about their health. And actually to inspire even people who don't care that much about their health right now to do so. It is important. We need a healthy America. We need healthy families. We need healthy children. I cannot stand to see the statistics of 55% of our children having chronic disease. That doesn't need to happen. And Azure can help with that solution. And we want to be able to help with that solution on a broader and broader scale. And I feel like that's the calling that God has given to me and to the Azure team. So thank you for your understanding on that. And I want to thank all you drop coordinators and people that make drops happen, and those that attend drops. Don't feel like in any way that this is stepping on your toes. Thank you for what you do, and may God bless you.